Today I'm going to unbox a quick review Toovren Laptop invisible stand. I received from Amazon. Let's start to do this unbox. Okay, here what I've got. It's a laptop stand. It's pretty thin. Very lightweight as well. This is ultra thin as well. It comes with adhesive. Is it washable, as they said, and reusable as well. The material, it looks okay. They said it is made of neoprene. I'm going to test on my laptop. Before I start to assemble it on my laptop, it works well on 12 to 15 inch laptop, where the air intake vents are located at the back side of your laptop. Example is a MacBook series, each MacBook Pro, MacBook or MacBook Air, which I don't have it here to show you, but I have my Sony Vaio, which is 13 inch laptop, and also the air vents isn't at the back, but is on the bottom. So what I have to do is I have to stick it in the middle so it doesn't block all the air intake, because the hot air goes out from the side. So if your laptop has a clear space for the stand, should be okay. So in my case, should be fine. So let's mount on my laptop. First thing is you need to clean the bottom of your laptop with a cloth, so to remove all the dust, and then remove the sticker. Right, as my computer isn't a MacBook or doesn't have like a flat bottom, so it has a vent at the back. I'm just going to quick demonstrate how to I install on my laptop, which I measured just like on this side. Okay, so once it's connected, once it's glued at the back, you see I still have some vents around here, but it works fine. Let me show you. Okay, this is one of the levels of adjustment. The other one, it just needs to fold it back and do this way, so you still have some space to avoid overheats on your laptop. The other way is doing like this. So it has 3 levels. When you just pull like this, it's a bit flingy when you try to reach like a power button, but for typing it's quite rigid. It's okay. But for the price it's very good, and also portability, it's okay as well. So you see, it doesn't stick at the bottom, so if you walk around without holding it, it's a bit strange, but yeah, it's okay. So thanks for watching, and if you have some suggestions or some questions, use the comment section below, and please subscribe for future videos. Thank you.